This is the last part of this chapter, algebraic formulae, factorizing the algebraic expression. Now while factorizing the monomial, you have to factorize the numerical coefficient first and then factorize the variables. Now we will take the example from practice set 52. Suppose you have to factorize 91xy t square. Now for that you have to factorize 91 first. So 91 it comes in the table of 7. So how you will factorize 91? 7 multiplied by 13 multiplied by x multiplied by y, and t square means t into t. So these are the factors of this monomial. The next one, 24a square b square. Now you have to factorize 24. So you know how to factorize it. So factorization of 24, it comes in the table of 2. Then 2 into 2 into 6. Then again factorize this 6. So these are the factors of 24. So we will write these factors: 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 into a square. A square you will write a into a, b into b. So these are the factors of 24a square b square. So while factorizing monomial, you have to factorize the coefficient first, the numerical coefficient, and then factorize the variables. So the remaining examples from this exercise you have to complete. Now we will learn how to factorize the binomial. Now we will learn how to factorize the binomial. So for that you have to keep the formula in mind. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b, in another bracket a minus b. We have learned this in the first part. So we are going to use this formula. So the first example, factorization of p square minus q square. So we will write in that form. So the factors are, so p plus q in one bracket and p minus q in the other bracket. Now let us do the sixth sum. X square minus 1 upon x square. So we will factorize this in this form. So we have x minus 1 upon x in one bracket and x plus 1 upon x in the another bracket. Then the last sum we will solve, 2x square minus 8y square. So here you can remove 2 common from this binomial. So after removing 2 common, x square minus 2 4s are 8, 4y square. Now you have to find out the factors of this bracket. So we have x plus 2y in one bracket and x minus 2y in another bracket. So these are the factors of this bracket and 2 is common. So in this way you can factorize the binomial. The remaining examples you have to complete in your classwork.